today's the day. I'm going to try to get my drone pilot's license, the Part 107 certificate, and I don't know. We'll see. I'm really nervous. My brain feels like it's going to freaking explode, but I think I'm ready. This is my first attempt, hopefully my last attempt at getting the certification. It's extremely windy outside, very bad day, very gloomy. We're at an airport about an hour away from where I live, and in the background, I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually an airport. So we're right outside an airport taking the test. Well, I guess you'll see in a little bit if I pass. I can't take any camera equipment or anything in with me other than, like a magnifying glass, a calculator, some paper, and a pen. That's it. And of course the noggin, which we'll see how good that works. Okay, so wish me luck. The next scene you see, you either see me crying or ecstatic.
Airport class airspace. Class EL versus MSL. METARs. TAFs. Airspace. HEMS tool. TERSAs. Weather briefs. Flying stable air. Weight and balance. Surface friction. Performance factor. Unstable air. Load factor. Cloud formations. Stall. Advanced weather. Aerodynamics. Types of clouds. Crew resource management. Flight services.
Well, I got my test back. It was a lot harder than I thought it would be. So I passed. It's awesome. I passed. Okay. So now I don't have to worry about this for another 2 years. And I just made it right when you no longer have to take a test after 2 years. You just have to go on to the FAA website and do this course. So I'm very happy about that. I don't have to spend money on more tests and stress out on more tests. So we did it. I'm out of here. I'm going to go get something to eat for a celebration. And, well, I do have to go on, what's it called? The AICRA, A-I-C-R-A website and register the number that they gave me for passing the test. Oh, by the way, I got an 88%. Haha. So very excited. I still have to do that. Then they'll send me a actual card itself. But until then, I can print up a temporary and I can fly. So I am now a certified FAA licensed drone pilot. Well, I don't know what else to say other than thank you very much for watching.
I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it.
And as always, have a great day.